हेलो बच्चों, आज का हमारा टॉपिक मोशनल ईएमएफ होगा। लास्ट लेक्चर में हमने पढ़ा है कि किस तरह से मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स चेंज होता है तो ईएमएफ इंड्यूस होता है। द फॉर्मूला विच हैव लर्न इज़ E माइनस एन डी फाई अपॉन डी टी। दिस इज़ द Faraday's second law which gives us the quantity of induced EMF। ठीक है, अब यहाँ पे हम क्या देख रहे हैं कि जो चेंज इन EMF है वो किसकी वजह से है? ड्यू टू द चेंज इन फ्लक्स। तो अगर हमारे पास वैल्यू ऑफ फ्लक्स वेक्टर B डॉट डी ए, जैसा कि द मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स इज गिवन बाय द डॉट प्रोडक्ट ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड वेक्टर एंड द एरिया वेक्टर, ओके, दैट इज बी ए कॉस थीटा। ठीक है, तो इस क्लास में हम ये समझेंगे कि किस तरह से हम फ्लक्स को चेंज कर सकते हैं, और जितने मेथड हमारे पास फ्लक्स के चेंज करने के होंगे उतने ही मेथड हमारे पास ईएमएफ को इंड्यूस्ड करने के होंगे। ठीक है, तो पहला देखिए, मेथड ऑफ इंड्यूस्ड ईएमएफ। ठीक है, जैसा कि जो हमारा मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स है वो किस तरह से हम डिफाइन कर सकते हैं? बी ए कॉस थीटा। तो सबसे पहला मेथड आ जाएगा बाय चेंजिंग द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड। बाय चेंजिंग मैग्नेटिक फील्ड। ओके, अगर हम B को चेंज करेंगे तो हम देखेंगे कि फ्लक्स हमारा चेंज होगा, एंड दिस इज द फर्स्ट मेथड। सेकंड, बाय चेंजिंग एरिया ऑफ कॉइल। ओके, इफ वी चेंज द एरिया we can induce EMF. And third, by changing orientation of coil with respect to magnetic field। ओके, अगर हम कॉइल का ओरिएंटेशन बदलते रहेंगे विद रिस्पेक्ट टू द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड तो हम देखेंगे कि ईएमएफ इंड्यूस्ड होता है। ठीक है, तो ये वाला जो पहला मेथड आपने पढ़ा है, दिस इज फॉर एग्जांपल इफ वी चेंज द करंट इन अ सोलेनॉइड देन द मैग्नेटिक इंटेंसिटी और मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स डेंसिटी विल इंक्रीजेस। ओके, सो सेकंड टॉपिक जो हमारा होगा यहाँ पे, बाय चेंज एरिया ऑफ द कॉइल। ठीक है, दिस इज अ वेरी मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक फॉर द board examination value. Now we understood about how we change the area of a coil to get the induced EMF, which is called motional EMF. Okay, students, now induced EMF due to change in area. Let we have a vertically inward magnetic field perpendicular to the board. Okay, and we considered a rectangular wired loop in this magnetic field P Q R S. Okay, now let a wire AB attached in this loop, okay, this, such that this wire is able to move freely on the sides PS and QR, inward or outward. Okay, let's say the wire is moving आउटवर्ड विद अ वेलोसिटी v, ठीक है। एंड आफ्टर अ सर्टेन इंस्टेंट वी ऑब्जर्व दिस वायर इज रीच्ड एट पोजीशन a dash b dash with the velocity v, okay, and in the small time this wire is covered a distance x, okay. Let's say the length of this wire AB is L, which is equal to the breadth of the rectangular loop, okay. Let's say the distance of this rectangular loop from P to B is small b, okay. Now see, first we just consider here, consider a wire rectangular loop P Q R S, okay. Let a wire AB of length L is on this loop parallel to side PQ. Let this wire is free to move alongside sides PS and QR, okay. Let be the velocity of wire, let be the wire moves outwards with velocity v, in uniform magnetic field, perpendicular inwards magnetic field of intensity B, okay. Such that its area changes, such that area of loop PQAB changes to PQA dash B dash in small time dt, ओके। देयरफॉर यहाँ पे हम देखेंगे कि उसका इनिशियल एरिया क्या है? इनिशियल एरिया let's say initial area is A1, okay, is L into B, that is, okay, I will just write here PQ into PB, that is L into B, okay, and final area let's say A dash is PQ into PB dash, okay. Just see student, the total length of this new loop is B plus this distance x, so this will be L into B plus x, ठीक है. Therefore this new area is LB plus XL, okay. Therefore change in area let's say DA is equal to A dash minus A. This you will get LB plus XL minus LB. So this value is cancelled, that is change in area is equal to XL. This is, let's say, equation first, okay. Now flux linked with the coil, ठीक. Flux linked with the coil due to its motion is given by magnetic flux linked with coil is given by phi is equal to vector B dot A, that is BA cos 0 डिग्री. उसकी वेलोसिटी के साथ जो एंगल उसका होगा 0 डिग्री है, that is B is equal to BA. This is your equation second, okay. Now according to Faraday's second law, induced EMF is E is equal to mod of d phi अपॉन dt. यहाँ से ये जो वैल्यू माइनस होती है वो प्लस हो जाएगी, ओके. यू विल गेट d ओवर dt b a, ठीक है. नाउ दिस b इज कांस्टेंट बिकॉज इट इज द applied magnetic field, so this value we get b d upon dt, and the value of a is L x, okay. Now students, this L is constant for the breadth of the coil, therefore this EMF induced is B L dx upon dt. This value is called velocity, rate of change of displacement. This is equal to BLV. This is the induced motional EMF ड्यू टू चेंजिंग एरिया ऑफ द कॉइल इन द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड। नोट कर लीजिए। I will just write here dx upon dt equal to v. This is required expression for induced EMF. नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट, इसमें हमें ये देखना है कि इसका जो एनर्जी कंसिडरेशन होगा वो कितना होगा। हाउ मच इज़ द पावर डिसिपेशन in the motional EMF or when a wire attached to the coil is moving. Okay, now if R is the resistance of coil, therefore induced current is equal to E upon R, okay, which is equal to 1 upon R, and the value of EMF is BLV. Therefore this induced current is equal to BLV upon R. Let's say इक्वेशन जो आपके पास अभी इक्वेशन आया था डेट E इज इक्वल टू BLV, इसको इक्वेशन A लेट कर लीजिए एंड लेट से दिस इज इक्वेशन B. ओके, नाउ whenever the wire AB is moving in the magnetic field, it will experience a force which is given by magnetic force experience by wire AB in magnetic field B is F is equal to ILB. Okay, now students, we have the value of I is this, so we can use it, BLV upon R into LB. This we get, the force experienced by the wire is B square L square V upon R. This is your equation. Next, let's say equation C. Okay, now let we understood about the rate of change of energy dissipation due to the wire. Therefore the power associated with wire AB moving with velocity, moving with velocity V is P is equal to F into V, and we have the value of F, so we can use it here, B square L square V upon R into V. Then we get the power associated with the moving wire in the magnetic field is B square L square V square upon R. This is equation, let's say, third. This power associated due to the conduction. Okay, now next, the power required to move the wire in the coil is the power required to move the wire AB in magnetic field is given by P is equal to I square R, जो कि हमारा पावर का फॉर्मूला होता है. ओके, देयरफॉर by using the value of I here from equation B, we get this power is equal to power required, okay, is equal to BLV upon R square into R. Okay, this we get power required is equal to B square L square V square upon R square into R. This R is cancelled by this, therefore we get this required power to move the coil or wire in the magnetic field is B square L square V square upon R. This is equation 4. Okay, so here student, it is very clear that the power due to the motion of the coil, motion of the wire AB, and the required power to move it in the magnetic field are same. Therefore, the moving wire in the magnetic field associated energy which is equal to the power dissipation or required power to move the coil, that is the energy considered, the energy associated with the moving wire is equal to the unit rate of is equal to the heat developed per unit time, time. Okay, which is equal to h is equal to b square l square v square upon r in the form of heat. Just note it. Okay student, this is how we derive the expression for the motional EMF due to the change in area. Third or last method to induced EMF is by changing orientation. I will just tell you how it is derived. Okay students, देखिए क्या है कि सपोज हमारे पास एक कॉइल है, attached with a galvanometer, this, okay, and it is free to rotate. Okay, it is free to rotate about the axis. For example, I will just tell you in the another way. Suppose we have a rod, let's say OA, ठीक है, which is free to move around the circle with angular velocity omega. Okay, let's say at any instant the rod reached from point A to point B such that it sweeps at angle theta, which is equal to velocity into time, angular velocity into time. Okay, therefore the flux linked with the motion of this rod OA is given by phi BA cos theta. Clear है? अब we have the value of theta is BA cos omega t. ठीक है, this is the flux linked with the moving rod in the circular path. Okay, now the EMF induced is given by minus d phi upon dt. Okay, now use this value here. So this flux is minus d over dt, value of phi is BA cos omega t. Clear हो गया? Now this B is constant and the A is also constant because it is related to the path or circular path, which is a constant. Therefore minus BA d over dt cos omega t. Okay, now we can differentiate it. Minus BA cos omega is minus omega t. Okay, because omega t is unknown function, so d over dt omega t, we get omega. This value is become BA omega sin omega t. This is the induced EMF due to the change in orientation with time of moving coil. Okay, now if n is number of turn wound over the rod OA, therefore this induced EMF is equal to NBA omega sin omega t. Okay, here this NBA sine omega, NBA omega is written as E naught sine omega t, where E naught is equal to NBA omega. Okay, and this is called peak or maximum value, maximum value of induced EMF due to motion of the rod AB. Okay, now see here, value of omega is 2 pi nu and also 2 pi upon t. ठीक है, therefore this maximum induced EMF is equal to NBA 2 pi nu, that is 2 pi nu NBA. This is very important expression. Some numericals are appeared in the examination by this formula, where F is frequency of rotation, frequency of rotation. ठीक है, in the numericals this F is given by RPM और RPS. ठीक है, रोटेशन पर मिनट और रोटेशन पर सेकंड. थैंक यू.